I'm finally home from work. It is the nicest day out. Like, it is so nice out. It's, I don't know, about 6 o'clock Friday night, and it is still like 90 degrees. I think Kurt and I are gonna go back to that poke bowl place. We just had it on Sunday. It's like around the corner from our place. We're obsessed, so that's what we're doing. Oh yeah, welcome to the vlog. I don't know, these things are wild. These things are insane. Like, you can hear nothing, literally nothing. I'm like yelling, it's nuts. Hey, that's mine. He stole my water ice. I'll taste yours. I don't really like that. I like mine better. I don't like his. It's Saturday morning. I'm off to work, and then we have a crazy, crazy day ahead of us. We have 2 photo booth events. One's down the shore, one's in Philly. We're gonna be driving all over the place. But I'm kind of looking forward to it. I'm here in another car now. I left work, jumped in Kurt's car, and now we're headed down the shore for our first event. It's called
War at the Shore?
War at the Shore. It's like a hardcore show. It's interesting because we've never done the photo booth at one, but like, I think this is like, I don't know, I feel like this, what do they call that? Like a niche market? Like, I think this is it for us.
I feel like people will like it just because it's like, I don't know, everyone loves social media, so I feel like a bunch of quick posts, you know, people sharing the photo while they're at the show, like,
yeah, it's like instant.
Promotes the, you know, the show, the venue, like,
yeah, so,
from a business standpoint, does
like I said the last time, we did realtor, like, photos and video. We also have a photo booth, which you guys know. But any event that you have, that you want a photo booth, like kind of a quick, instant image to post on Instagram or any social media platform, it's us. Hire us. Have the Omni booth at your event. But yeah, we have that first. And then after that, we're gonna make our way back home all the way to Philly because then we have Sad and Bougie. We've worked that before with the photo booth and that was like amazing. That was such a good time. So they had us back and we're gonna be doing that probably till like 2 o'clock in the morning. So this is where our day's going. We just packed up from event number 1 and we're headed to event number 2. Kurt, I don't know how I'm gonna make it. I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
Are you hungry?
A little hungry.
I'm hungry. I need something. I need something to get me, like, give me my second win because your girl needs to eat and your girl needs to sleep. our second event of the night. We're at Sad and Bougie. This is insane. It gets crazy in here. Just to be clear, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. We're finally home. It was a long ass day. Good night. If I hold the camera far away, maybe you don't see how tired I am, but I did put eye patches on. We're up, it's Sunday morning, it's Father's Day, and we're headed down the shore to celebrate Father's Day with my dad. The best snacks are beach snacks. Well, I don't know. I'm not getting a Mexican street corn flavor, but they are very good. But I'm not getting that flavor.
You really want the best potato chip ever made of all time?
What's that?
These popcorners.
All right, let's try one of those.
This is everything.
All right, he says this is the chip. What flavor? Sea salt. You see, I like this flavor better than the Pringles. Good morning. Oh, I know I say it all the time, but I am so tired. The last thing I vlogged was us on the beach. We had such a good day. We were celebrating my dad, Father's Day, Pat, Joe, I guess all the dads that were there, but you know, specifically my dad. But yeah, I think that was like the last thing I vlogged because we were just like hanging out and enjoying being on the beach. But it's Monday morning and I think we're gonna go for a bike ride. I feel like I can't move my body, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try my best, like I always say. I'm ready for bike rides. I feel like I look and feel a little bit more awake, but here's the fit.
We're on the world famous International Boardwalk of Atlantic City with the world famous internet star.
Vitagliano.
Look at this baby. We normally do breakfast on the boardwalk, but I was out there with the bikes for like 2 seconds waiting for Kurt, and like 3 people came up to me, were talking to me, saying things, making me feel really uncomfortable. So, I don't know. I brought the bikes inside and I'm waiting like inside the like casino lobby thing. I don't know, I got really nervous. And I guess I shouldn't, but I did, so I brought the bikes in. We just got back from our bike rides. I think today we're just gonna chill out front, hang by the pool. They just took the baby to the pool, so I'm gonna go see her because I don't know. I don't know why I think it's so funny, but it's like the funniest thing seeing the baby at the pool. So we're gonna hang with her today. Well, we were trying to go home, but we got a flat tire. So now, Kurt and my dad are trying to put the spare, so we're gonna be here for a while. We got the donut on, and now we're on our way home.
Thanks to Dad.
Thanks to my dad. Well, Kurt too, but like we said, like, you need to, I don't know, I was no help. You needed two people, and you knew it wasn't gonna be me. Thank God my dad was here. Can't say it enough. On Father's Day, changing our flat tire. Right, Kurt?
Yes.
Kurt's not even looking. After the day we had, we deserve a pizza. So it's time to end the vlog. Okay, gotta go. Bye.